Geometry Wonders, Understanding Congruent and Similar Figures. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of congruent and similar figures in geometry. This is an essential concept, not just for GMAT and GRE but also for understanding the world around us. Let's start our journey into this topic and explore these figures in depth. Congruent figures are two or more shapes that have the exact same size and shape. This means that every side and angle of one shape matches exactly with the corresponding side or angle of the other shape. For example, think of two identical cut-out paper triangles. If you place one on top of the other, and they fit perfectly without any portion hanging out or any gap in between, then these two triangles are congruent. Now, while congruent figures are identical in every aspect, similar figures have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. They maintain the same proportions or ratios between their sides. Imagine two rectangles. One is larger and the other is smaller, but both have the same proportion or aspect ratio. Even though they're of different sizes, they are similar figures. A crucial point to remember: all congruent figures are similar, but not all similar figures are congruent. To determine if two figures are congruent: 1. Check if their corresponding sides are equal. 2. Ensure their corresponding angles are also equal. For similar figures: 1. Check if their corresponding angles are equal. 2. Ensure the ratios of their corresponding sides are the same. For instance, if we have two triangles, and all their angles are equal, and their side lengths have the same ratio, e.g., the sides of the second triangle are twice as long as those of the first, then these triangles are similar. Understanding congruent and similar figures helps in 1. Problem solving. Many GMAT and GRE questions will test your ability to recognize and apply these concepts. 2. Real-life applications. Architecture, design, and even nature often utilize principles of congruence and similarity. Geometry is like a puzzle, and congruent and similar figures are crucial pieces in understanding this puzzle. We hope this video has shed light on these concepts for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep observing and working on problems to master the ideas of congruence and similarity. Happy learning!